Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying ownership. Bring the original receipt and the card used for purchase. This proves you legally own the item. Once done, inspect the package for model or serial numbers and write down order references, because staff may ask. Make sure to check the retailer's return and tag removal policy in advance so you won't be turned away. Otherwise, call ahead and confirm required documents. Acting prepared speeds the authorized. Go to the store's customer service desk and request professional tag removal. Tell them when and where you bought the item. Present your receipt and ID, hand over the item, and allow staff to use their specialized equipment. This prevents damage and ensures it's legal. If you bought online, have the order confirmation or pickup slip ready. Make sure to ask for a short note or stamped receipt showing the tag was removed. It protects you if questions arise later. If the store refuses or cannot remove the tag, escalate. Call customer support or use online chat to explain the situation and request remote authorization or a return label. Once done, ask for a referral to an authorized service center or the manufacturer's local office, because they can verify purchase history and handle removal safely. Finally, keep copies of emails or case numbers. If anything goes wrong, documented communication protects you and speeds a refund or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.